In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit with Microsoft Designer. To get started, open your web browser and head to Microsoft Designer. This is Microsoft's streamlined, browser-based tool for quickly building visuals without needing advanced design skills. Once the page loads, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll notice two main paths. You can edit with AI, or you can design from scratch on a blank canvas. Designing from scratch gives you full manual control, but using AI is great when you want to move fast, explore ideas, or get a polished starting point. For this walkthrough, we'll lean on AI to speed things up. Go ahead and click Create with AI. This opens the guided creator where the app helps shape your project. Next, choose what you want to make. Pick the project type or style that matches your goal. Think along the lines of a poster, a social post, a flyer, or a similar layout. Selecting the right starting point helps designers suggest more accurate layouts and typography. Click on the option you've chosen to continue. That takes you into the design creator where you'll provide the details that drive the AI. In the description field, type a clear, concise prompt for your design. Mention the purpose, the audience, the mood, and any key text you need included. For example, specify the headline, a short tagline, and a preferred color direction. The more specific and plain language your description is, the better the initial results. Next, choose images. You can select suggested visuals or bring in your own brand imagery. Prioritize clear, high-resolution images and keep a consistent style so your final design looks cohesive. If you're using photos with people, make sure faces are well lit and centered to avoid awkward crops. Now choose the size. Match dimensions to where the design will appear. For instance, square for social feeds, portrait for posters, or a specific print size if you're planning to export and print. Picking the right aspect ratio now prevents awkward resizing later. When everything looks good, click Create. Designer will generate a set of layouts based on your description, images, and size. Give it a moment to process. Review the options and open any design that catches your eye. From there, you can tweak text, adjust colors, swap images, and nudge elements until the composition feels balanced. If something's off, refine your description slightly and regenerate for new variations. Small prompt changes, like clarifying the vibe or emphasizing a key message, often make a big difference. That's the full flow. Visit Designer, choose AI, select your project, describe it, pick images, set the size, and create. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished design ready to refine and share in minutes.